Press play and away we go. Hello, welcome back to Rob's Homemade and a food recipe today with chicken thighs, spray light, and we have OXO. I've had this in my possession way too long. OXO rub or sprinkle spicy Mexicana. So for delicious dishes, simply rub or sprinkle over meat, fish and vegetables while cooking. So what I'm going to do, it says here, why not try sprinkling into your chili while cooking for a Mexican fiesta. So I've got 2 chicken thighs, which I'm going to marinate in this stuff, probably overnight or maybe a few hours, I don't know. If I get hungry later on, I will definitely be cooking them up later on. We're going to be cooking them in the air fryer as well. So this is, like I say, I bought this a long time ago. I can't even remember where I had it from. It looks kind of gnarly. Looks kind of nice, to be fair. Let's get the scissors out. I think I had it out of somewhere like Heron Food, somewhere where I don't normally shop, and I seen it on the shelf. And I thought, you know what? I'm having a bit of that. And these scissors are shocking. Note to oneself, buy new scissors. So, get this bad boy open. Ooh. You can smell the cumin, the chili seeds. There's definitely, I don't know if the ingredients are on here. They am. But they're tiny. Absolutely tiny. So we're not reading those. So we're just going to have to go with the flow with this. So what we're going to do is quickly spray our chicken thighs with this lovely stuff. Wash my hands a quick second. Just wipe them actually. And then we're going to sprinkle a fair whack of this over the top. And then we're going to give it a bit of a massage. Turn it over. And do the other side. So I probably used about, I don't know, about a quarter. So I'm just going to rub it all in. Get it all in there on the chicken. Well coated. Just get your hands in, guys. Don't be shy of getting your fingers in, getting your hands in. Getting it all nicely massaged into the chicken. Have a quick wash. There we have it, something quick and simple. 2 chicken thighs married in OXO Mexicano rub. So I'm going to get foiled now, go in the fridge overnight, let them marinate, and we'll bring them out and get them in the air fryer for about 30 minutes, 20 minutes on the one side, flip them over, 10 minutes on the other side, then we should have some nice, beautifully cooked chicken thighs. See you soon, guys. Right guys, it's the next day. Our OXO spicy Mexican chicken thighs been marinating overnight. Don't they look good? So these are going in the air fryer. Smells so good. So these are going in for 15 minutes on 180 degrees, which will then be turned for another 15 minutes on 180, and they should be banging. So here goes. Press play and away we go. See you in 15 minutes. Right guys, they've had their first 15 minutes. Looking nice and charred. So we're going to flip them over onto the opposite side and give them their other 15 minutes, and hopefully In that time, we will have lovely, beautiful Mexican chicken thighs. Right guys, our Mexican chicken thighs have had 30 minutes. Just look at those bad boys. Crispy, charred, looking fantastic. These are going in a tub, which I'm going to take to work tomorrow. And I'm going to show you tucking in, probably on my forklift truck. So I'll see you later, guys. Right guys, as promised, I'm at work. It's dinner time, so I'm just chilling. And we have our Mexican chicken. Smell rating. Gets a pretty good 8. Gets a pretty damn good 8. So here goes, look, lovely and charred. I haven't warmed it, I'm just going to eat it cold. So here goes guys for our OXO spicy Mexican chicken thigh. That's pretty damn good, even cold. Nice flavoursome, spicy. Nicely charred chicken thigh. Flavour rating. Get the different spices. Quite tasty. Chicken's well cooked. Meaty all the way through. I'm going to give it a flavour rating of 8 as well. That rub's quite nice. It's quite flavoursome. It's got a nice spice, different like Mexican. You get like a bit of chili, you get a bit of cayenne, you get a bit of this and a bit of that. Pretty damn good. Heat rating. We'll have to give it something because there is a tingle on the tongue, guys. So I'm going to give it a heat rating of 0.5. So, that was my review of OXO Spicy Mexican Dry Rub on chicken thighs cooked in the air fryer. My dinner time's nearly over, so I'm going to have to head back to work. And I'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.